My name is Vitaly. For me, the most exciting thing is to see what people actually come up with. And I think we just haven't even started exploring opportunities altogether.
I'm Shura.
Kevin.
Corentin.
Concept designer at BNP Paribas Fortis.
Je travaille pour ImoWeb.
My client is Delan.
Aujourd'hui, l'IA est vraiment incontournable et ici on a la chance d'avoir des invités de marque là-dessus et donc on va pouvoir apprendre plein de choses.
Avoiding common pitfalls, looking for the best practices.
For me, I advocate the user experience, so I need to make sure that if companies want to introduce AI, that it's beneficial to the user.
J'aime beaucoup vibe coder.
Lovable, I heard about them many times.
It's very useful where you can just shoot out wireframes very beautifully.
I want to test it, yes.
J'ai beaucoup de plaisir à retrouver des personnes que je connais chez Movify.
L'ambiance est très bonne.
I've always loved to connect people in different ways, and I think this is where I've naturally become more of a community builder, stepping away from the design role.
And so my big hope is that after this workshop, people will be maybe a bit inspired, but also most importantly understand and have a broader understanding, I would say, about what that AI thing means for them, but also for their work and also for the end user experience of people who are going to use those AI products that they, with a lot of care and passion, will be designing.